Yeah. All we have a Arduino, IDE here. So, and then you can see here we have a code, and this particular code is compiled and also dumped onto the board. And actually, if you see in this code, we are trying to print something, temperature, humidity, whatever. So we don't see anything in the serial monitor, and you can see here the board is connected to COM5, which is the message here, but you don't see the serial port setting here. Generally, in the older version of Arduino IDE, we used to see the um, baud rate here. Now, what we have seen is whether this is a bug or a feature, we aren't sure. So you have to go here, click on serial plotter, okay, and see once you click the baud rate pops up here. Okay, not sure if this is a feature, but okay, now even if you select, it doesn't. Okay, now let us try to stop this. Okay, it doesn't, and but it actually does here. Still, even if you see, you don't see the data coming here. Okay, and in case if you are doubtful if it is 9600 or not, so the baud rate is 9600 here, still you don't see the data. Now close the serial monitor, okay, and go to the tools, click on serial monitor. Now you see data popping up. So whether this is a bug in 2.3.2, not, right now we are using 2.3.2, not sure if this is a bug in this or we are missing something, but this is how we figured out that the settings, even though applied, doesn't get affected, and only once you close and open the serial monitor, the data pops up. If you have any solution to this, or we are missing something here, please do post in comments. Thank you.